Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use ChatGPT on Google Pixel, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start using ChatGPT on your Google Pixel, first, power on your device. Unlock your screen by swiping up or using your fingerprint. Open the Google Play Store by tapping the app icon. In the search bar, type ChatGPT and hit search. Look for the official ChatGPT app in the search results. Tap on the app to open its details page. Next, tap the Install button to download the app. Wait for the installation to complete. Once installed, open the ChatGPT app by tapping Open. You may need to sign in with your email or create a new account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the sign-up process. Once logged in, you will see the main chat interface. To start a conversation, tap on the text input field at the bottom of the screen. Type your question or prompt and tap Send. Wait a moment for ChatGPT to generate a response. Read the response and continue the conversation by typing again. Explore different topics by asking varied questions. You can also use voice input by tapping the microphone icon if available. For ease of use, customize your settings within the app. Access settings by tapping on your profile icon or the menu. Adjust preferences for notifications or themes as needed. Enjoy your experience with ChatGPT on your Google Pixel. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.